Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to record deleted videos on YouTube. So let's get started. So if you want to record your deleted videos, then what you can do is just simply follow some easy steps. First, you just have to open up your YouTube application. After opening up your YouTube application, just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and then tap on your profile picture. And after tapping on your profile picture, now what you have to do is just simply tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on help and feedback. After tapping on help and feedback, what you can do is just simply tap on send feedback. So after tapping on send feedback, what you can do is just tap on get started which is on the bottom, and then enter the feedback. So what you can do is just simply tell them that you have mistakenly deleted your YouTube videos and now you want to recover them. So just simply type in that, and after typing in that, you just have to tap on this arrow, and after tapping on that arrow which you can find in the right side of your screen, your feedback will be sent to YouTube, and after sending that feedback, they will react to your feedback and then try to fix your problem. So this might take some time, it might take few hours or few days. You just have to wait until that, and then YouTube will fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to record deleted videos on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.